In this video, I will show you how to create a portfolio website on Canva. So to get started, simply head over to canva.com. Then what you want to do is here under Design Spotlight, in the drop down go to the Marketing section and here click on Websites. Now that will take you to their website builder. From here, go and click on Create a Canva website. So then you will see this right here. Now over in the left you will see website templates. So in this list you can simply search for templates, and what you want to do is just search for portfolio. So then here you will see some examples of portfolio websites. So just pick one that you think looks good, and some of them will only be available in the pro version of Canva, but you can just pick one that is free. So for example, I'll click on this one right here, and then you will see all of the pages in this website. Then simply click on apply all 6 or however many pages it are, and then you will see all of those pages right here, and you can then go and customize what they look like. So first you want to go to the uploads right here and simply click on upload an image or video to upload all of the images that you want to add into your portfolio. Then from there it's really easy to go and drag them in. For example, if this will be an image I want to add, I can simply drag it in and then it will replace it. Now you can also remove it entirely and then just put it in there. Now this of course would not be something to put in here, it's not the correct dimension as well, but it's really easy to use. Then in terms of the text, just take the text and write whatever you want. Right here you can also change the font, for example to this one or any other font on Canva. They have quite a lot of them, and it should be pretty easy to go and customize this entire website. Now you can click add page to add a page to your website, and from here what you can simply do is, for example, create a contact page, and then you can go to text, then here click on add a heading, then here write contact me at, and then under that you could, for example, write your phone number and email address, and just go and create whatever page you need. Now if you want to duplicate a page, for example if you like the way this one looks but you need a lot more than just 4 images, then you can click duplicate, and you could move it around a little bit so that you have this one right there and this one up here, etc. And then you can just go and duplicate it as many times as you need it. So now that we have created the website, you can go and preview it by clicking on preview in the top right. And now here you will see what the website will look like. So you will see it actually has these animations which look really cool in my opinion. So when you scroll past it, it will animate in. Now if you want to change the animations, just click on this image for example, and then here you will see the animation that it currently has. So it has the pen, but you can also do this one, or the drift or tectonic, whichever animation you would like to be using. For example, if I click wipe right here and now click preview, you will now see that it has that exact animation when we scroll to that part right here. Now in order to actually go and publish your website, just click on publish right there. Then from here you can select a website URL, but if you want to make it more professional, then you should click on use a custom domain. And now here you can either bring in your own domain if you already have one, you can go and buy a new domain from $19.99 per year, or you can claim a free Canva domain. Now since this is just an example, I'll just take the Canva domain right here and then click claim free domain, and now I can click use this domain. And now here you can also include a navigation menu, but for this you will need to add page titles. But basically the Canva websites, you can just create one really long page. You cannot really have different sections of the website, so it will be a very basic website builder, but the fact that you can do it for free is what makes it still worth it. And this website definitely does look very decent, especially since you can just set it up within 15 minutes. And then in the publish settings here you can even do some SEO with the website description. You can do some advanced settings, so you can do password protection, you can choose the search engine visibility to be enabled or disabled, and the link preview, you can disable that as well. Now what you can also do is if you click on an image, then right click on it, you can click alternative text, and then you can add a description for this image, and that will also help with your SEO. Now if you click suggest for me, then based on the image it will go and write something for you. So this one's a person in a denim jacket is taking a photo of a lake, so you can see that's exactly what's going on. So that works perfectly as well. So once you're fully done, just click publish website and click publish website right here, and then it will go and publish it for you, and then you can simply copy the link right here and share it wherever you want. Now I'll quickly show the final result. So this right here is the portfolio website. Now of course it really depends how it looks on which template you choose, and you can make it look however you want. You can actually make these websites look really good, and it's just really easy to use. So now you know how to create a portfolio website on Canva. Now by the way, these websites will also work on mobile. As you can see right here, it will go and change the proportions. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.